What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's vlog, we're going to be painting the tire letters on the Lexus. I went ahead and bought a paint marker or paint pen from dipyourcar.com. You guys might have seen that like in ads or somewhere or whatever, if you ever looked up like on painting your car yourself or whatever. So I went ahead and I purchased this. It was like 12 bucks. I'm not too sure if it's gonna cover like all the letters on like around the like each 4 tires. I think they recommended like if you buy 2 to like really like get everything that you really need, because you're gonna need at least like 2, maybe like 3 coats depending on like, you know, the letters and stuff like that. So I went ahead and got one. I'm gonna be doing the main lettering, which is the Toyo part on the car. So let's hope that we have like enough to kind of like do the proxy sport letters as well. So but before we do that, I got a minor mod that we're gonna do right now that I was really excited for, and it has to do with this hood. So I don't think I showed you guys what the hood looks like in the sun. Last time when we installed it on the last vlog, it was a little dark. So this is what it looks like in the sun, which is a lot better in person. I'll just throw that out there. But look how you guys can see the engine cover. So that is like going to be like really important. I got a couple ideas, so I'm excited for that. But we already have something for this engine oil cap, so I'm really excited about that. Let me kind of open that up and show you guys real quick. So just give me one second. I ended up getting this engine oil cap from RR Racing. It's a billet oil cap, and I got the ones that have like this F on the top, and I got it in black. You could get it in like blue, and I think you get it in black, and the other one will say like RR Racing. But this is the one I got because obviously it has the F. So super stoked about this. And this, man, it's got some weight to it, man, for sure. Like way better than the OEM. So yeah, it looks really nice. I'm excited to throw this on. So they send you like a installation kind of deal or whatever, but I don't think we need directions for that. So they send you two like stickers for this. Not too sure why it's 2, but I mean, if we lose one or one gets worn out, I guess we have another one to like replace it. So that's kind of cool. Appreciate you, RR Racing. Thank you for this. This is gonna look really dope right here. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and install this real quick. Oh yeah, baby. This one's all grimy, pretty light, oiled up, all ugly and nasty. Yeah, definitely don't need this anymore. Let's throw this nice little bad boy. Oh yeah, nice and tight. Now let's place the sticker right there in the center. All right, got it on there, boy. Yes sir. So as I was touching it, it's like, it's not like just like a sticker. It's like, I don't know, it feels like a rubbery like plastic. I think that's kind of cool because it definitely feels a lot more quality right there. But let me put this back on. Okay, stands out already. Let me close the. Oh yeah, bud. Look, from far, come up when you're walking by and you see that F right there just through the grill, or through the mesh, I mean, I'm sorry. Damn, yo, that looks fire. That was a good freaking add-on. I guess that's what they mean when they say like the small things matter. All I need to do is just change this to kind of like correlate with everything else. So yeah, but let's go ahead and let's get started with painting these tire letters. I'm super excited to see how that's gonna look. So let me go ahead and grab what we're gonna need aside from the pen for like prep work, and then yeah, I'll tell you guys a little bit about that. So give me 1 second. All right, you guys, so went ahead and got everything we're gonna need. So obviously you're gonna need your paint pen, and then just go ahead and get yourself a rag as well. And then if you can, go ahead and find yourself some like acetone or something of the sort, that type of solvent, because you're gonna well, from what I'm told, or from what I'm watched on the video that they had for like the application, they were saying that you should acetone the area that you're going to be putting the paint on, and that's obviously so it can help for this paint to stick. So make sure you kind of have something for that, because you definitely don't want to throw this on and then it comes off like super quick, so that'll be a waste of money and waste of your time. So you're just gonna have to reapply and everything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down right now. We're going to be doing the Toyo area first on all the tires. We're going to be doing like a couple coats. I'll probably put like 2 coats on each one, see how much we have left, and then see how good it looks. And then we're going to try and go ahead and get the where it says Proxy Sport as well. So if we can, I really want to get both, but if not, you know, I'll settle for the Toyo. So I don't really care. I think that'll be tight just to have that little bit too. Don't mind the wheels. They are dirty right now. I haven't cleaned them, but I'm gonna be cleaning them later tonight. So don't judge me, okay? Let me go ahead and let's get to it, right? So this is 1 layer of paint. I'm not too sure if it's picking it up in the camera, but when I was applying it, it didn't really seem like it was super solid yet, and I'm assuming that's because there's been only 1 coat of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the 2nd coat, and then I'll show you guys that. In between that, I'm gonna be doing the 1st coat on all the other tires. So I'm gonna be kind of like using this tire as the current example, and I'm gonna be like kind of following along with all the other tires like kind of after that. So if I can, hopefully I can, but the way that the marker's kind of like running, I want to just get maybe just the Proxies like lettering. I don't have to get the Sport and then the all season, but maybe I can, you know, do the Toyo over here and then like maybe Proxies over here. So I'm not too sure. Like I said, I was supposed to have 2 of these pens to kind of like do all of that. So I'm gonna just go ahead and work on the Toyos first, and hopefully we got some more spare for the Proxy lettering. And now this is the 2nd layer, a lot thicker. So I believe on the pen cap it states that 3 layers for a perfect look. So I assume that definitely is accurate. That's the 1st layer on that tire, 1st layer on these tires as well. That one's a little less filled in than the other ones, just because I figured I'm gonna fill it in anyway. So I will say that the pen is a lot easier to use as you are using it, so makes sense, right? So as I got to like that last tire, I was like, oh, okay, it's way easier than when I just started. So hopefully we don't run out of paint, like I said, so I can get those Proxy letters. I think it will look super clean if I get both sides of each tire. So let me go ahead and finish this up, and then I'll show you guys how it all looks when it's all done. So let me just go ahead and fast forward to that part. All right, y'all, so it got dark. I think I could have finished a lot faster. I'm just very particular about, like, you know, stuff like this. So this is the one you guys can see the best. So they all have 3 coats of paint on them. I definitely was like running through the end of the paint like when I got to the 3rd coat on this one, and I still had to put 1 more coat on that one around that time. So just to kind of give you guys like an idea of how much of the pen that you can use. So I definitely didn't have enough to do 3 coats of the Proxies on each tire. So I'm kind of glad that I just focused on the 1 lettering. So yeah, if that kind of gives you guys a good measurement, you probably are going to need 2 if you're trying to do both sides or both, you know, letterings of the tires. So I'll probably go ahead and do that like later on when I buy another pen. So yeah, but I like how it looks. I think it looks cool. And then when I'm on the freeway or when the tires are rolling, I think it's gonna look clean. So I'm kind of glad. I know you're gonna have to like reapply like probably sooner or later. So yeah, I don't know how long I'll have it for. And I do know that there are tires that you can get that I think come with white lettering on them already, but obviously I don't have those. So as a substitute that's cheap, you know, this is a pretty good substitute in my book. So yeah, if you guys, you know, want to go ahead and do that yourselves, this is something of what it might look like. All right, so now that I got that done, I have one more thing that I kind of wanted to maintenance, because I haven't done it since I you know, installed it. But I want to clean the air intake, you guys. This is AFE dry power cleaner. So this is for dry filters. A lot of people might have the oil filters where they need to spray the oil after, you know, they clean it and wash it and stuff like that. But this is different. So this is not oil, this is a dry filter. So I'm gonna need to kind of go ahead and take it out. I wanted to show you all on how filthy this is. I have not cleaned it once since I've gotten it. So we're gonna go ahead and spray this on the outside, and then we're gonna rinse it off with the water hose, just like it says on the back here. And then we're gonna, you know, maybe do it like once more, just to make sure all the dirt and grime is out, and then we'll let it sit out for a little while until we kind of go ahead and try to drive it. So the car has been feeling a lot better recently since we changed the PCV valve. I didn't record that, I just kind of switched it on my own, just because I felt like it was really small and really quick. So I changed that. That's something that you guys should think about doing if you haven't done that. It's a nice little maintenance thing. So the airflow has been pretty good since I've done that. The car is feeling nice on the corners with the LCA bushings. So I'm pretty happy about this little small kind of maintenance going on here. So that's another reason why I want to clean this filter up, because I want to get better airflow going in. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. And this bottle right here, I just wanted to throw out that it is kind of pricey, you guys. I got it off of Amazon for like 18 bucks. I guess I looked at it like, oh well, I guess if I buy it now, I won't have to worry about, you know, this for a while to come. So I can kind of clean this filter a little bit more routinely now, rather than waiting a whole last year. So yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there, that this is pretty pricey. So but I do feel good about using it. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, and then we'll go ahead and see how the car is going to feel after we got all this nice clean filter and airflow going through. So give me 1 second. Want to show you guys I just sprayed it with the power cleaner, and it was dripping all right here, and like literally everything that was dripping off was just like brown, dude, just like dark brown. That's how filthy this thing is, you guys. So I can only imagine how much air I was. Oh no, oh no, I can only imagine. Oh no, what is going on? Okay, 1 second. Okay, like I was saying before, so it's filthy, okay, and I sprayed the crap out of it, and there's a lot of dirt coming out. You guys can't see it, but all that is just brown, just a dark brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, let that thing sit, and then for a little bit more, and then I'm gonna get the hose. And make sure when you're doing this, you get the hose and you're washing it from the inside out. You don't want to do it from the outside in, okay? Just, you know, I'm sure many of you guys know that, but I didn't. So now you know. So I cleaned it 2 times. I sprayed the outside once, washed it out, sprayed it again, and then washed it out. And definitely around the second time, a little bit more came out than the first time. So definitely want to do that thing maybe twice. It definitely looks a lot more cleaner now, that's for sure. So I just left it in the garage for it to dry off. I'm not going to be going anywhere tonight, so I'm just leaving it in there until tomorrow. Definitely don't want to put a wet filter on in your intake and then drive it. That thing will cause so many problems. So yeah, so let me know, you guys, if you guys like the paint lettering. It's something that I've always wanted to kind of do. And so hey man, trying to vlog, dude. freaking helicopter out here. Anyways, I was wondering, is it like, obviously I kind of don't care, because like I said, I've wanted it, and I felt like if I didn't like it, I could just wipe it off with acetone. But answer me this: is it ricer or not ricer? I want to know. Obviously I don't care if it is or not, obviously, because I have it, but you know, I'm curious to know what you guys think, if it's like, you know, ricer to do that or not. So I kind of like it for now. Let's see how long stick with it. That's all I got for this vlog, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are new to the channel and you guys like what you see, please make sure you guys like and subscribe, you guys. And if you guys have not yet got anything from the lap market, also make sure you guys go ahead and do that. I'll leave the link in this little description below. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. Don't forget, it's all about longevity, you guys. Make sure you live long and prosper, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.